Dream Big Now is our local summer service program that we developed in response to COVID-19. Our inability to travel this summer meant that all these students who would otherwise be in a developing country serving where we have our young dreamer students abroad are here locally instead. And it's been really great to get them out of the house, off of the couch, off of the screens, and engaging with each other in a safe way, but also serving our community.
There are many groups helping with organizations all across the Bay Area. There are students helping with the environment, students volunteering at elementary schools, and also students helping to serve local homeless communities.
This is my first time with Dream Volunteers, but I've really enjoyed my first week here.
So right now, Dream Volunteers is helping environmental volunteers remove some invasive and non-native species out in the Baylands.
I've been working with my fellow high schoolers and then the middle schoolers. Some kids are digging, some kids are taking the wheelbarrow, and we've all been working to restore this habitat.
In addition to our service work, we're also connecting every other day on Zoom to hear from our young dreamers from our partner countries.
And one of the most exciting things about this is that we have helped them develop change-making plans that they can actually implement throughout the school year. We'll see some of these young people actually leading forward on these small acts and continuing to ripple out their change impact.
During the Changemaking project, we've been able to mentor the middle schoolers to help them find their passions.
My Changemaker project is with a friend of mine, and we're working on the refugee crisis and immigration. And we're working with an organization called Save the Children to bring care packages to children and families at the U.S. border. My Changemaking project is providing people access to clean water. I'm helping by raising awareness on a website and fundraising to eventually donate.
This summer's Dream Big Now program gave me a great opportunity to take leadership and be a mentor, not only in our local community during the service days, but also on a bigger scale with our Changemaker projects. I was able to create my own Changemaker project, but also help the other kids formulate their own and turn them into reality. I'm super excited to see what all this energy and enthusiasm will turn into in the future as we all go forward with our Changemaker projects and bring them into the world.